Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create Passkey on Shopify. First thing you do is log into www.shopify.com and then you put in your credentials. If you're not signed in and you bring you to this particular page, then from here you click on your profile icon in the top right corner. You click on manage account and then you click on the left hand side, you click on security. And you can see Passkey. If you use Passkey, it means you log in with your fingerprint, your face recognition, or a PIN instead of a password. Passkeys can be synced across devices logged into the same platform, like Apple ID or a Google account. Once you learn more about Passkey, click on this. So let's create a Passkey. You say creating a Passkey takes under a minute. Let's do that. Create a Passkey. You have to verify it is you. You authenticate. Next, you have to create a Passkey. Click on continue. So it's better on Bluetooth to use your Passkey on different devices. You don't want to click on cancel. So you go to your device, it should show you to create a Passkey. Alright now. So you check your phone browser or the device you prompt you to create a Passkey. Then you click it, now click on next. Then you can now choose your set your Passkey. And then choose, after choosing, you click on turn on Bluetooth. So you scan the QR code you can on your device where you want to create a Passkey. And then, so let's say this is the device. I'm holding my phone now. I want to create a Passkey, so I'll open the camera and then scan it. So don't forget you must have Shopify installed on your phone too. After scanning it, you can follow the on-screen prompts. As simple as that. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, like us and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.